Okay, let's dive into the power of teamwork with a really simple but powerful story.
So, can just two simple tools teach us a timeless lesson? Let's find out.
All right, let's meet our main characters, a pencil and a very proud eraser. Our story kicks off inside a totally normal, colorful school bag.
And one day, oops, the pencil got a little tired and made a bit of a mess.
The eraser saw its moment. It jumped in, cleaned it up, and felt pretty good about it.
But then a wise old notebook chimed in, saying, "You two should help each other."
And it just clicked for the pencil. Right, my job is simply to write.
The eraser got it too. Its purpose wasn't to be superior, but to make things better.
So they found their rhythm, a simple but brilliant two-step process. And working together, they started making these beautiful pages, one after another.
So, what's the big takeaway? It's that everyone's role is important on a team.
Now you might be thinking, isn't this just a kid's story? Well, let's dig a little deeper. Turns out this idea is ancient. Check out this Sanskrit verse from the Rig Veda.
Move, speak, and work together in harmony.
Sound familiar?
So you have the fable, and you have this ancient text. The core message? Exactly the same.
So, from a simple school bag to ancient wisdom, the lesson holds true. Harmony creates success.